G'day guys, welcome back. Too many projects, not enough time. I'm Andrew. Today we're back from the lake. We're in the shop once again with Ivy. Now I did a bunch of stuff on the weekend. I think it's now Monday. On the weekend we got these two inners all bent up and fabricated, and I think we did a really special good job on them. And now I think we're ready to put this firewall on Ivy to see what it looks like. Make sure all the bottom holes line up, make sure everything's coming along where it is, and then to figure out exactly what we're doing in the middle here to go over the hump of the gearbox and check for engine clearances and that sort of stuff. Now we just whipped up a little crossbar, a little hook, you can see that there. We're going to use the engine hoist to lift the old firewall off the truck, lift this one onto the truck with it. Just a little more gentle when there's only one person lifting it, so you're not banging it and trying to throw it across the chassis to the other side. And we can just gently lift it over with the engine hoist and using this little crossbar, which we just have some 1/2" nuts in the end, so we'll put some 1/2" bolts through the windscreen holes and just lift it up and move it over. So thanks for coming along. Remember to like and subscribe below, hit that bell notification if you remotely like what I'm doing and some of the projects. We did a couple of things up in the cabin on the last couple of videos. On the weekend we got these done, and we got a few other things for up at the lake as well. Didn't video them, but got them prepped, and some really cool project. We tested the theory and it worked well, so now the next step is moving on to actually doing the project. Now we know it's going to work in a week. So without further ado, thanks for coming along. Let's get this in. Let's get it on the old bulkhead. Come along, we're just going to fit the new one, figure it all out. Bit of a short video. This is quite a milestone for me, getting this new bulkhead that I've built, fit it onto the car, onto the truck, Land Rover, whatever you want to call it. And with that we can take some more measurements and move on to getting the last few things buttoned up on this, at least for now, and then move on to some more fun stuff. I'm really getting excited moving on to these the Boxer Quad SU intake manifold, maybe getting around to firing that engine up. Anyway, without further ado, let's get onto it. Let's get the old bulkhead off, get the new one on, see how she looks. How's that, guys? It's on. It's pretty good. Couple of slight. Let me take off the stand here. Alright. Looks like in here we have plenty of room around the bell housing. Nice amount of foot space, particularly on the driver's side over there. in. Now let's walk our way around. Alright, because the footwells are a little further forwards, at least 1 3/4 inches further forwards, we have clearance of the exhaust manifold right there. Looks like we got plenty of clearance in the back there. Here it is. Now I did accommodate right here by doing the 45 on the corner of that footwell, but it looks like we still have some connection. Even though I measured, it's actually a little further forwards than what I anticipated. So we have some a little bit of fitting and measuring. We'll measure some jaw jam distances and make sure it is in the right place. But overall, it looks like it fits fairly well. Beautiful, guys. See, just one little clearance issue right there. But we can fix that. We'll make some allowances for it. We'll put the clutch pedal in, see how much we've got, and we'll make an adjustment down there. Alright guys, so thanks for coming along. Wait a minute. It's been another week since I, well, said that was it for the day. I managed to actually final weld in the footwells now, and I've also modified the other footwell to go around the exhaust. Pictures are here, and so anyway, thanks for coming along guys. Remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification below. Share with all your buddies. And we'll see you next time on the next video.